In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create this timeline in Canva. Whether you're crafting a project proposal, planning an event, or simply organizing your thoughts visually, a timeline can be an incredibly useful tool. So, let's dive into Canva and get started. First things first, you'll want to open Canva. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, and the platform will walk you through the easy setup process. Once you're logged in, head to the home page. You'll see a variety of templates available to you, but for this project, we'll focus on creating a custom design. Look for the button that says Create a Design in the upper right-hand corner. Click it, and then select Custom Size. You can choose the dimensions that best suit your needs, but a standard one might be 800 pixels by 2000 pixels if you're aiming for a vertical design. With your blank canvas in front of you, go to the toolbar on the left side and select Elements. This is where you'll find all the shapes, lines, and icons that'll help you piece together your timeline. Start by finding a line to serve as the central axis of your timeline. Click on Lines and Shapes and choose a straight line. Stretch it vertically or horizontally across your canvas, depending on your timeline's orientation. Now, think about the key events or milestones you want to include. For each one, you'll be adding a marker. These markers can be represented by circles or squares, which you can also find in shapes. Place each marker at the appropriate interval along your line. To add some variety, you might want to vary the size or color of these shapes, making sure each is distinct enough to catch the eye. Next, it's time to add text to your timeline. Go to the left-hand panel and click on Text. Here, you can add headings, subheadings, or even just little bits of body text to describe each event. Drag the text box next to your corresponding markers and start typing your descriptions. Remember to adjust the font style and size to match the overall look of your timeline. Canva offers a plethora of fonts to choose from, so play around until you find something that aligns with your theme. Now, if you'd like to add some imagery to enhance the visual appeal of your timeline, head back to the Elements section or use Uploads if you have specific images you want to include. Adding relevant icons or illustrations can really make your timeline pop. Just drag and drop the desired image next to the text or marker it represents. Finally, once you're satisfied with your design, go to the top right and click on Download. Choose your desired file type. PNG or PDF usually works well for sharing, and voila, your visually striking timeline is ready to go. And that's how you create a timeline in Canva. With practice, you'll be crafting timelines that not only convey crucial information but do so in a way that's visually engaging and easy to understand. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!